How to book ride on Grab application. Are you guys facing issues to book ride on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the options for food, bike, and car. You are looking for ride, right? Tap on bike. After you click on bike, tap on where to option. Over here, write down your address. After you write it down, just tap on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just select it according to your preference. After you select it, tap on book. As soon as you click on book, your ride will be booked on Grab application, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna book a ride on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.